Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Pickles can be great accompaniments for any kind of dish. I have made several pickle recipes before and you can find their links in the description. Today I'm going to show you all a very nice and juicy garlic pickle recipe. This is one of my personal favorites and I like it having with some nice lemon rice or curd rice. Since many of you had requested this particular garlic pickle, I've decided to share it with you guys. So without waiting, let's go right into the recipe. For this recipe, I've taken about 6 whole pods of garlic. Peel the skin from the garlic cloves and keep it aside. Now to prepare the mustard fenugreek powder, to a pan add 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, 1.5 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds. Roast them till they turn to a nice golden color and they release a nice aroma. This will take about a minute or so. Roast it for about 2 minutes, turn off the stove. Keep this aside. Cool it completely and transfer it to a mixer jar and grind to a nice fine powder. The mustard fenugreek powder is ready. Keep this aside. So this powder is essential for the pickle making. To the pan, add half cup of gingelly oil. Now, gingelly oil is best used for pickles because it gives a very nice flavor to the pickle. To this, I'm adding a bowl full of the garlic cloves. Roast the garlic cloves till they turn to a nice golden color. Remove them from the pan and keep it aside. So I'm taking half of the roasted garlic into another bowl. Transfer the garlic cloves to a mixer jar and grind it to a nice fine paste. In another bowl, soak a little bit of the tamarind with hot water. So we will be using the tamarind puree for the pickle. Take a little bit of the tamarind puree, roughly about half cup, and keep it aside. Pour another 2 tablespoons of oil to the same pan. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start crackling, add a few curry leaves. Now add the garlic paste to the pan and mix everything well. So now I'm going to add all the spice powders, starting with half teaspoon of turmeric powder, about 2 teaspoons of salt. Now you can adjust the salt accordingly. Next, add about 4 tablespoons of red chilli powder. Just mix everything well. Now add the thick tamarind puree and mix it well. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now add about 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of the mustard and fenugreek powder. Just mix that in. So the pickle base is getting ready now. Add the roasted garlic cloves. Mix it well. Continue to cook on a medium-low flame. So finally I'm adding a teaspoon of powdered jaggery to balance the flavors. Mix that in. So continue to cook this on a medium-low flame till the oil separates. This will roughly take about 15 to 20 minutes. So after 15 minutes, you can see all the oil is separated, all the excess moisture is evaporated, it's become nice and thick. At this point, you can turn off the stove, cool the pickle, and you can bottle it. This is a very simple and tasty pickle and many of you have requested for this garlic pickle. This is something that you can make and store it in a nice airtight glass bottle or a jar. And if you want to keep it for a longer period of time, you can refrigerate it or it stays good at room temperature for at least up to 15 days. I'm serving the garlic pickle with lemon rice, but you can enjoy it however you like. And you can serve it with some curd rice or just enjoy it with plain steamed rice. I'll give you a couple of links to the other pickles that I've made. You can check them out as well. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. Garlic is beneficial to our health and adding them to any recipe makes it a lot of fun. Today I am serving this garlic pickle with some lemon rice, but you can enjoy it however you like. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.